Sure. I guess first to touch on effective technology. I think in its simplest form is that you have these tools and they need to work together to simplify the execution of the clinical trial, right? Like these tools are supposed to help us. It's supposed to feel easy and guide us through all of the different tasks and things we need to do to conduct the clinical research. Um, it also needs to be purpose built. And what I mean by that is it has to be specialized in the different research activities that are occurring. So thinking about randomization, supply management, maybe e-consent, patient-reported outcomes. There's so many things that are part of conducting clinical research. So in thinking about the tools, they have to be focused on the tasks at hand. And with that, trials are different. You said complex, things are ever evolving. So one trial is very different to the next in some cases. So the technology has to account for those differences. So configuration is extremely important. But it's not just the configuration to say, this trial is using certain aspects. It also has to provide workflow guidance and guide users through using the technology to make it easy, providing different guardrails and logic along the way, and that's what's going to ensure both the quality and the compliance to the carrying out those tasks in the clinical trial. And you're going to have those multiple tools that I said have to be purpose built. So that needs to be an integrated ecosystem that's going to allow those users to work efficiently, as well as help them make effective decisions. So ultimately, an effective tech stack is going to simplify the complexities of running that clinical trial at the end of the day.